Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix VPN connection problem. If you're experiencing VPN connection problem, here are some steps you can try to take and troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. First is you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. If your internet connection is down or unstable, the VPN would not be able to establish a connection. You can simply restart your device. When you turn on your VPN, close it off like this. And sometimes a simple restart can fix various connectivity issues including VPN problems. Restart your device, smartphone, computer or other thing to refresh network settings also. Or you could simply update your VPN app. Go to the Play Store and type down the VPN you have downloaded. And simply install it. If there's any available updates available, ensure that your VPN software is up to date. VPN provider regularly release updates to improve performance, security and compatibility with different devices and networks. And if none of the above steps work, you can contact your VPN provider customer support for assistance. They can offer personalized troubleshooting steps and help resolve any underlying issue with the VPN connection. And by following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix most common VPN connection problem. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.